My name is Casey Goodman, principal at Cecilia Valley Elementary School. Tonight we are hosting our 25-26 open house for students in preschool through 5th grade. We're so excited to welcome our students back. It's been a fun summer and we can't wait to get them in here. We got a lot of fun things going. They're going to get to meet their teachers, see their new classroom. We also have our PTO set up in the gymnasium with a spirit store. If you need to speak with anyone from our transportation department or get a car rider tag, they're located in the cafeteria. So we look forward to seeing all of our students back here for the 25-26 school year.
My name is Donna Probst. I'm the Family Resource Center Coordinator at Cecilia Valley. We hope you all had a great summer. We're very excited about our new school year. Some of the services that FRC offers are back to school events, transition to middle school, transition to kindergarten. If you have any questions about the FRC, you can reach me at 270-862-3287. Thanks so much and have a great back to school.
Hi, my name is Jason Hayes. I am here with White Mills Christian Church supporting our Upward Soccer program. This is our 14th year, I believe, of doing the program. We offer a program for 3 years old all the way up through 6th grade. We encourage all types of athletes to come out and participate. We focus on family-friendly environment. We work on fundamentals of soccer. We work on teaching kids about God as well. As part of our league, we do devotions each practice and each game. If you're interested, we have one practice a week, one game a week, so it's about a 2.5-hour commitment for a cost of $65. You can find out information on our Facebook page, White Mills Upward Sports. You can also email me at whitemillsupwardsoccer@gmail.com. You can also reach out via phone 270-401-2678. But we are out in White Mills. We start August 12th with evaluations. Practices will start at the end of August, and then games run Saturday mornings in September and October.
How's it going? I am here at Cecilia Valley. They hired me to come out and create smiles with my airbrush gun. I am Crazy Thing the Airbrush Guy. Check out what we're doing. We got airbrush tattoos tonight. The kids love them. I'm going to show you a really popular and amazing tattoo here. It's really quick, much better than face painting, a lot less messy. Check this out. I'm going to make it extra pretty for you. Now watch the smile that comes with this. Look at that. Isn't that cool? I love it. I love my job.
Thank you.
Thank you, I appreciate it.
Hi, I'm Lisa Schrader. I'm the school nurse here at Cecilia Valley. We're here at Open House, and I've got some things here on the table to talk about our dental that we're offering dental this year, and we're offering restorative care for dental. We're also offering eye services, so you can get your eyes checked up by optometrist as well as our usual services, which are giving immunizations, giving flu shots, doing well childs, doing sports physicals, and any sick visits. So we're here for you to keep your kids safe and healthy in school.
Hi, I am Miss Pretty, assistant principal here at Cecilia Valley Elementary. We are excited to welcome our families in tonight for our open house. Students and their families are having the opportunity to meet their teachers, see their classrooms, explore our building, and we also have some community partners here, some of our extracurricular activities, our PTO that they can sign up for to join, and we are just excited to see all that this school year brings.